Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Have you ever wondered what is really happening in Southwest Florida's hottest real estate markets right now? Well, if you're looking for your dream home, planning a smart investment, or just curious about where prices are headed, you are in luck. Today, we are going to pull back the curtain on the 2025 housing trends in Northport, Port Charlotte, Placida, Punta Gorda, and Venice. So get ready for some insider tips, surprising stats, and expert predictions that you won't want to miss. And stick around for some actionable insights and local stats. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates. So let's start with a quick overview. Each of these cities really have its own personality and market dynamics, but together they make up some of the most beautiful and sought after areas in Southwest Florida. We love it here. We love it. Here's what you need to know about 2025. Northport is seeing a shift in its real estate market. As of May 2025, the median home sold price is around $355,819. That is down about 2.9% from last year. But if we look at April 2025, the median price was $329,000, which absolutely shows a little bit of fluctuation depending on the data. Inventory is up, of course, compared to last year, with over homes available, and homes are staying on the market for about 63 to 84 days, depending on the month and what source you're getting it from. But that is an average. The market is somewhat competitive, but buyers have more choices and negotiating power than they have before. All right, let's talk a little bit about Port Charlotte. So moving to Port Charlotte, the median home price in January 2025 was $282,500, which is down 9% from last year. Inventory is also up, with about 961 homes for sale at the start of the year. Homes are taking longer to sell, averaging about 77 days on the market, which is a little bit less competitive than previous years. This really has started to become a buyer-friendly market right now. So we just have to really roll with the punches when it comes to what we're going to do in the market, the decisions that we're going to make. But we have been able to negotiate a lot on behalf of our buyers, which is great. So Placida, which is where we reside, is a smaller, more coastal community. We have the Gulf right over there. So the average home value here is about $514,468, which is down nearly 8% over the past year. Placida really offers a quieter, more exclusive lifestyle, but like the rest of the region, prices have softened and inventory is stable, I would say. What about Punta Gorda? So that is where our airport is, where you can fly in and out of a lot of places on Allegiant Airline. Punta Gorda stands out with a median home price of $390,000 as of January of 2025, which is up 7.6% from last year. That's higher than the state median, but inventory has also increased, with 714 homes available at the start of the year. Homes are staying on the market for about 84 days, and fewer homes are selling compared to last year. So it is less competitive, but still strong for sellers that are in the right price range, which is a competitive price range compared to the market value. That is what is most important. So Venice, what about Venice? Venice is really another coastal gem, I would say. But the market here has definitely cooled. The median home price in January of 2025 was $403,750, which is down 18.4% from last year. Inventory is up, with 607 homes available, and homes are taking longer to sell. They are taking about 87 days on average, with over 10 months of supply. So it is definitely a buyer's market right now, specifically in Venice. So what does this all mean for buyers and sellers in 2025? So Northport and Port Charlotte have more inventory and longer days on market, meaning more choices and definitely negotiating power for buyers. Prices are down from their peaks, but the market is still stable. In Placida, prices are down, but the coastal community remains desirable for those seeking a quieter lifestyle. Why we love it. Punta Gorda, the prices are up year over year, but inventory is rising and homes are taking a little bit longer to sell. So sellers need to be very realistic if they want to meet their home selling goals, so to say. Venice, the prices are down, but the inventory is up, and it is really a great time to be a buyer in Venice. So, to sum up, inventory is up and days on market are longer than in most areas. This is very geographically specific because we did get hit with 3 major hurricanes in 2 years. And what happens is everybody has to fix their homes. And once all of those things were done, the people that were thinking about sizing up or sizing down are all doing it at the same time. So that's why the inventory has rose so much. It's definitely a contributing factor. I would say it is a buyer's market in most of these communities, but well-priced homes are still selling. That is the importance of very competitively pricing your home when it comes to selling. Okay. For the long term, Southwest Florida remains a strong investment thanks to population growth and definitely lifestyle appeal. Of course, if you have any questions about buying or selling or investing, Port Charlotte, Placida, Punta Gorda, or Venice, reach out to the Sammis team. We are here to help. We know this area. We take pride in the fact that we know this area, and we love to help our people to really meet their goals. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates if you would, please. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to check out a very super fun time on Minnesota Key, which is also right down the road, and Inglewood Beach as well with Brady and I, then check out this video right here. You will not regret it. There's dolphins, there's beauty, there's fun. Okay, see you next time.